You're welcome to the webinar class tonight. Now, this class is such a life-changing class tonight. You don't want to miss anything in the class tonight. Now, if you can hear me very well, I'd like you to drop a 1 in the chat box. Just drop a 1 in the chat box if you can hear me. We are just about to kick off now. Now, if you're just joining, this is Yieldora Capital. Now, you're going to learn about everything in the class while the class is ongoing tonight. This class tonight is so important that you have to give full attention. There is just one thing you have to pay tonight. Nobody's going to ask you for anything. There's just one thing I'll need from you tonight, and that is attention. You have to shut everything down because this class is going to change your life tonight. Now, this is the first system, I would say, that has guaranteed results in the forex market. Now, the forex market is a market where there are no guarantees. For those of you who have traded forex before, for those of you who have invested money into forex before, we always tell you in the forex market there are profits and there are losses. Of course, that's correct. All right. So many times, maybe you've invested in forex, you've put your money in the forex system, or maybe you even tried trading yourself and you lost money. Now, that has been the thing that has happened for years and years and years and years in the forex space, and nobody seems to have confidence anymore in what's going on in the trading space. Now, this system you are about to see is the first system that guarantees you a particular return every month in the forex space. Is a guarantee. This is the first time you're having a guarantee in the forex space of a particular return on an investment every single month. And if you pay attention tonight, I'm going to show you how to get access to the system without even having to pay for it. In this class tonight, I'm also going to show you, if you can stick with me tonight, I'm going to show you a blueprint that can make you $1,000 to $5,000 extra. Now, in fact, that's just going to be side income. I'm going to show you another system that can give you an extra $1,000 to $5,000 every single month on the side. You're not even trading at all, but you're making consistent fixed returns from the forex space. You can close your eyes, you can go to sleep, and at the end of the month or at the end of the quarter, you are sure that you're going to have money coming in from somewhere without doing anything. This system is not any of these things. So this is what this is not. Now, if you are looking for a Ponzi scheme, this is not a Ponzi scheme. So maybe if you're looking for a Ponzi scheme, you can just leave this class right now. You don't need to refer anybody to make any money here. And you have exclusive access. Okay, so this is the system. All right. Now, why do we have predictable results with this particular system I'm going to be showing you? Why is it predictable? Because of three things. Number one, we are running a proprietary software using AI. And because of that, the results are predictable. That's number one. We have predictable returns every single month using AI trading. Number two, we're trading a predictable market. You are trading a particular market called the EURCHF. The EURCHF is the most predictable market in the forex space. Now, this particular system that we're using has been running for the past 3 years, and there is not a single month we were not in profit. Not even a single month that we didn't close in profit. There is not a single month that we have not closed a trade in profit, that we have not closed in profit for the past 3 years, all right, without fail, all right? So we are using precision trading and proven results in Yieldora Capital. So Yieldora Capital, okay, is a cutting-edge trading capital firm specializing in algorithmic and AI-driven trading across financial markets, okay? Now, so for the past 2-3 years, we've maintained a consistent and uninterrupted record of profitable trading using AI proprietary software. All you need to do is just to have your cash in and then you go to sleep at the end of the month or at the end of the quarter. It's just like you're being paid salary consistently every month or every quarter for the rest of your life. You're going to see some results very shortly in this class. I'm going to be showing you quite some things that are going to blow your mind, but I want you to hold your breath and stay in this class, okay? Now imagine plugging you to a particular system right now where you will never have to take any trade again in your life. You don't need to learn how to analyze. You see all these things that have to do with analysis. You will never need to know it, okay? You don't need to know how to analyze. You don't even need to know how to open trades. You don't need to know how to close trades. You don't need to know about charts. You don't need to know about candles. You don't need to download MT5 app. You don't even need to download MT5. That's crazy. All of these analysis, you don't need to know any of them. Now, first of all, I'd like you to know that this system is not for everybody, okay? Now, if you don't have capital for trading, if you don't have money, if you're 100% totally broke, this is not for you. Okay, now this is for people who have some money with them and they are ready for that money to begin producing money for them every single month or every single quarter. So if you're 100% totally broke, you don't have any money with you, you are just flat on your back, I'd like you to excuse us because this is not for people who are broke. The Yieldora Capital offers a unique solution to those who want to grow their wealth with minimal effort. So if you leave your money in the bank, your money is dying there. At the end of the year, maybe the bank gives you 2% interest. But if you want a system that's going to be giving you consistent, reliable, continuous income every single month without fail, every single quarter without fail, you will have to listen to me right now. Now, this is for individuals who are looking for passive income, all right? Who want to generate earnings without active management. You don't want to be there trying to see how you can, make things work and all of that. This is for those individuals. You just want to focus on your job, but you want to have something else that's going to keep producing money for you. All right. Maybe you're a doctor, maybe you're an engineer, and instead of just earning your money and putting it in the bank, you want a system that's going to be producing money for you consistent returns every single month. If you can have a management system that's helping you grow your funds every single month without fail, right? The challenge usually is most times to get reliable systems, especially in the forex space, is very, very difficult. This is the first system that gives you guaranteed returns in the forex market every single month. This is also for entrepreneurs who want to diversify their portfolios. Maybe you run a particular business and then you just want to have some cash in different areas. This is also for you. This is also for retirees or near retirees desiring stable monthly earnings. Okay, so this is for you.
We're going to show you today how it has been really working for the past couple of years right now. You can now come on the platform and be able to make money from the financial markets consistently without even doing anything, right? And what is this about? It's basically an automated trading system. It's an automated trading system. Now, some people might have heard, some of you might have heard about an automated trading system before or found one before, and then you had issues with it. But the main thing is, how was a system developed? What was built into it? How are the lot size picked? What's the algorithm behind it? Right? That is what distinguishes one system from the other. And we can tell you here that what we've built here has worked for more than 3 years and is produced results consistently. So today we're going to be showing you some of the results that over time has come. Some of them you're going to be seeing the records from 2025 to 2024 and so on and so forth. And you'll begin to see how these results have worked even for corporate organizations, for individuals, and then they've been able to make money consistently, completely hands off. So this is what we're presenting to you. And the beautiful part of this is that it's not like all these schemes that you have. You actually have your funds on a brokerage account, and this just trades on your account, and you are able to make your profit. We have this running already on the platform, and you just connect to this automated trading system we have running, and you are able to see this profit replicated on your account on a daily basis, right? And then you can decide that you want to withdraw your profit, take your profit at any time. It's all up to you. Okay, so I'm going to be handing over to Val FS. He's going to take over from here, and basically he's going to be showing us records of what has been done on corporate organization, on corporate, on accounts that are run by corporate organizations with us, and also on individuals just like you who have $400, $1,000 in their account. What can this do for you? Right, so that's what Val FS is going to be showing us today. And then Val FS, are you ready?
I suppose you can see my screen now. If you can see my screen, drop a 1 in the chat box, guys. If you can see my screen, drop a 1 in the chat box. If you can see my screen, drop a 1 in the chat box. Amazing. Now, before I share my screen, let me know in the chat box, how many of you would like to make minimum $1,000 to $3,000? Drop a money emoji in the chat box. Guys, this is literally the barest minimum. I can tell you for free, I don't know about anybody else, but I can still make nothing less than $40,000. So $1,000 to $3,000 is literally, guys, the barest minimum. Okay, so now let me show you guys something real quick. This is my trading account, right? This is my trading account. As you can see, this is how we make money here. So this every single figure that you're seeing here right now is literally in dollars. As you can see, today I was able to make $36, $57, right? $36.57. Yesterday I was able to make $302, $265. Guys, this is literally me printing dollars from the comfort of my home. Guys, I have been sick. I don't know if any one of you have been following with my social media, then you know that I've been very, very down. Like, I've been sick. It was even just today that I came online, right? And I just thought, like, I've been getting so many messages, so I just thought to like just do this call today. In fact, this energy that I'm having, like, even me, I'm wondering how I'm able to like have this energy, because I've been down like all day. All right. So guys, this is literally me. And to think I was sick and I was still making money. Guys, if you work a 9 to 5 here, I am not trying to like, this is literally me speaking respectfully, okay? But we all know that even if you're sick, right, and you work in 9 to 5, right, you would the money that you the money will be deducted from your salary. If you're sick and you're not going to work, the money is going to be deducted from your salary. But this is literally me being sick, right, and I am still making money on my sick bed, guys. On my sick bed, like every single time that I was sick, that I didn't even come online. Best believe I was literally with my phone and I was making money. So guys, this is something that you need to start doing for yourself, all right? You don't need any boss to boss you around. You don't need any alarm clock. You definitely need to live life based on your own terms. This is literally what I'm doing. And I can tell you for free that it is the best thing ever, all right? So this is literally me making money from the comfort of my home. As you can see, like, I make so much money from the comfort of my home, all right? And not just this, you guys might be wondering, oh, I'm just showing you guys trade results. Show us real results, right? Now let's go to Bybit. I'm going to be showing you how much I was able to withdraw today, right? Let me just show you today. I don't need to show you like for the week. Now let me quickly show you that real quick. I'm going to go to my account and I'm going to show you guys this real quick, all right? So as you can see, can anybody help me check the dates? Can you see sell USDT, right? Can you see sell USDT? If you can see sell USDT, the first sell USDT there, drop a 1 in the chat box. If you can see the first sell USDT there, drop a 1 in the chat box. Good. Now, below that sell USDT, what date can you guys see? What date can you guys see? Below that sell USDT, what date can you guys see? Because somebody drop it in the chat box. What date can you see? What date can you see? What date can you see? 30th, which is today, right? Which is today, guys. I was able to withdraw 4.3 million naira today, guys. I am literally sick. I am sick and I am still making money. Tell me a sick person that will make 4 million naira on their sick bed, guys. I don't think so. Tell me that 9 to 5 that will give you 4.3 million naira while you are sick, guys. I don't think there is any. Guys, that is not the only money I was able to make for today. If you check the next one as well, it is also today's date. How much did I make? 4.5 million naira. Guys, still the same date. Today, right? Not just the second one. Check the third one as well. 5.2 million naira. Guys, if you're sleeping on this, I am literally giving you all the tea. Like, this is literally how young gays are literally making money. Like, these days. So if you're like in this day and age and you're not making money by using your phone, guys, you're literally sleeping on a long thing. I swear to Almighty God. All right. So it is not just that. I was able to withdraw yesterday as well. As you can see, yesterday's own was 2,70,000 naira, right? Look at the other one as well. I was able to withdraw 11.9 million naira. Guys, you guys might be thinking, oh, I'm just calling this price, blah, 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 blah. I'm not supposed to be showing you this, but let me just quickly show you real quick. Let's check for the first one, which is today's date, 4.3 million naira. So I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I just want to like show you guys so that you guys can see. So even if you've been sleeping, so that you can wake up, right? You can wake up and take a hold of your financial situation, okay? So I'm going to go to my Access Bank, and then I'm going to be showing you guys the credit alert. So as you can see, the first one says what? 4.3 million, which is it right here, right? 4.3 million. Can you see? Which one is the second one? 4.5 million, right here. This is it. I mean, even if Bybit is lying, Access Bank is not lying, right? Even if Bybit is lying, Access Bank is not lying, right? Now, which is the third one? 5.2 million naira. Let me quickly show you that, which is right here, 5.2 million naira. Can you see? Which one else? Let's check for this 11.9 million. Sorry, I spend money a lot, so forgive my too many distance. Guys, can you see? 11.9 million naira. So guys, I'm not showing you all of this to impress you, right? But I am just trying to impress upon you. I am trying to let you know that if I can do this, then you can do this as well. And to think I am sick, guys, I've been sick for the past 1 week and I am still making my money comfortably from my bed, comfortably from my home. Guys, I don't need to wake up like 7 a.m., right? iPhone said mine is okay, right? Guys, this is literally the best way for you to make so much money for yourself.
All right, so you can see the results. The results we're having here is crazy. Now, the most important thing here you have been able to notice is consistency and profitability. That's one thing that's lacking everywhere in the forex space. You have people that are very profitable, but they are not consistent. Before you know, the whole system is gone. All right, and then you have some other people who are a bit consistent, but they are not making profit, but this particular system is consistently profitable and has been running for the past 3 years non-stop. And as I speak to you right now, there are trades running on the background, just running completely AI automated, all right, from here. So all you have to do is just get into the system and you're going to see results. Now, the question you want to ask is, how do I get into this system? What are the investment portfolios that are available in this system, in the Yieldora Capital, and how do I plug into it? There are two flexible investment options. The option 1 is for the monthly returns. The option 2 is for quarterly returns. All right. And there are several other options that are going to come in later on, but these are the two options that are available right now. We've been running for the past 3 years non-stop. We've been paying out every single quarter and every single month. It's all about consistency. People have this mindset in Forex that you start with $5 or start with $20 or $50 or $100 or $200 and just flip it to $1,000 the next day. It's not realistic. Let me tell you something. Or any of those people you see saying those kind of things, they are just trying to rip you off. That's not the way the market works. The market works consistently and profitably for those who have mastered it. All right. So it's all about consistency and profitability in the market. It's not just about flipping your account today and losing everything tomorrow. All right. So consistency, your capital is intact, your profit is coming in consistently and reliably. So option 1, you have monthly returns. Now we have between 8 to 10% monthly return every single month on invested capital. All right. This option provides a steady stream of income, ideal for those seeking regular payouts and consistent growth. So you have 8% monthly return for those who want to withdraw every single month. Okay. And then for those who want to withdraw every quarter, you have 30% return per quarter. That means in a year, you will have you have over 120% of your income in a year. Imagine if you just left everything for a year. By the end of the year, you will have over 120%. Instead of leaving the money in the bank, the money has been in the bank, nothing added to it, nothing. Now you put the money into Yieldora Capital, and then it comes back. You're right. A few months down the line, you're having minimum of times 2 of your capital. You can pull out the capital and pull out the profits. That's up to you. You can pull both out. So, or you can decide to, okay, I can compound it. You can decide, okay, let me take out the profit and leave the capital there. Depending on that, depends totally on you. Okay. So you have the monthly returns, you have the quarterly returns. So depending on the one you want to get in, you can say, okay, I want to invest a particular amount of money right now and I want to add more later. That is completely up to you. But I want you to know that your capital is intact, and your profits are steady. All right. Now, so monthly returns benchmarked at 8%, while quarterly returns benchmarked at 30%. All right. Calculated, you see you actually make more profit if you come in on a quarterly. All right. Now, how do you plug into the system? It's simple. Step 1 is to watch this webinar class, which you're already doing right now. You're almost through. So you're almost done with step 1. Now, step 2, how do you plug in? Now, after this class, send a message to the admin. Of course, maybe you came in here through maybe a group or so. Maybe you came in through a community. You got access to private communities and you send a message to the admin, or maybe someone invited you to the class. Okay, someone invited you to the class. You come in with you come into the class. The next thing is to complete your certification document. Complete your certification document. So once you get to the admin, it's going to send you a certification document. You would read the document and make sure you understand, and then you fill out the form. All right. Once you've done that, and the certification document, ensure you print it out and have your signature. So you have your copy, we have a copy. All right. So then the next thing is you make your investment payment. You make your investment. They're going to provide you the account details. You make your investment. And then the next thing is to track your returns. All right. Note the date of your investment and all of that, and expect, is it monthly or is it quarterly? And you expect your payout. It's as simple as that. Now, what's the minimum investment here? The minimum investment here, all right, the minimum investment is $100. The minimum, the barest minimum. All right. But if you want to make a whole lot of income, if you want to make the kind of money you want to make, you want to do way above. You want to do way above that. You can do $10,000, $100,000. Any amount, that totally depends on you, okay, on how much you can put into the system, and depending on how much money you want to generate for yourself, how much wealth you want to generate for yourself, that's totally up to you. But the least amount you can come in with is $100, and you can always top it up. That totally is up to you. But I want to know that investment starts. We fund our trading account once every week, because we don't want to interrupt our statistics. So let's assume you make your investment payment on a Tuesday. You would have to wait till Monday next week for the accounts to be funded, and then your investment will start counting from that day. So record it that day, all right? And then the next, you track your returns. Note the date of your investment, your payment details, everything. You have to provide all of that, so that the plan you're going in for, so that you begin to receive your payment when you should receive your payment. And if you want to withdraw, pull out your whole capital at any time, it's up to you. You can withdraw your capital. You can request for your capital. Everything is going to be sent to you. There's no shady. There's nothing there. All right. So plug in right now. You've done step 1. Step 2, send a message to the admin, and they're going to send you the certification document. After the certification document, you make your investment, and then number 4, you track your returns. All right. Congratulations, and you're welcome to the system. You're welcome to Yieldora Capital. Your capital is secure. The whole system is working, and we'll be having proven and consistent results with this for the past 3 years. All right. If you have more questions, you can send a message to the admin, find out 1 or 2 things, If you have one or two concerns, you can also send a message. You can schedule a call with the support team. They can, guide you through and let you know how to do everything A to Z. Congratulations in advance, and I'll see you right on the inside.